EPRO Services Incorporated's AD55 sprayer is a palletized sprayer that can be connected to any tote or drum. It consists of a Honda engine, diaphragm pump, and a hose reel with 150 feet of calcium water hose and emulsion hose sleeved together. It includes a calcium water pump that runs off a 12-volt battery. Both a short fixed head gun and a long tilt head gun comes with this unit and are quickly and easily connected with quick connects. With quick connects, the system can be idle for extended periods of time without cleaning, even when the guns are not connected. The calcium water unit consists of a filter, a pump, and a bladder. These are mounted on a plate and controlled with an on-off switch. The filter is a cartridge type and should be rinsed out with warm water on a monthly basis. The catalyst pump has an automatic shutoff. When the ball valve on the gun handle is turned off, the pump shuts off. The head of the spray gun has 3 nozzles, 2 calcium water, 8001 on each side, and an emulsion, 4005 in the center. They should be adjusted so the spray from the 2 calcium nozzles come to a point about 18 inches in front of the emulsion nozzle, with the spray patterns of all 3 nozzles spraying in the same vertical pattern. The water nozzles can be turned closer than the 18 inches when spraying in narrow quarters. However, for general applications, they should be about 18 inches. Use stingers for both drawing and when using totes. Hook directly to the tote with a 2-inch cam lock and utilize the return stinger through the top of the tote. Notice the ball valve with an electric micro switch at the end of the intake hose. It must be open and locked for the engine to start and continue running. The calcium water catalyst is blended in the plastic drum provided. The calcium to water ratio is 1 pound of calcium flakes to 1 gallon of water, or when using liquid calcium, 1 part calcium liquid to 2 parts water. A hose from the intake of the calcium pump runs to a pipe in the drum that goes to within a couple of inches from the bottom. The spray gun has a small ball valve that controls the catalyst spray. It can be easily adjusted, wide open, closed, or just open enough that the catalyst spray is the same width as the emulsion spray for doing horizontal work. The 150-foot hose is stored on a manual reel. The water quick connect must be uncoupled on the reel when rolling or unrolling the hose. Quick connect fittings on the hose makes for quick and easy connecting of the spray gun. You will also notice a ball valve between the Honda engine and the pump. This lever is to be pointed toward the front, toward the operator, when starting and stopping the engine. Once the engine has been running for 30 seconds to 1 minute, turn the handle to the closed position for spraying. When closed, the pressure gauge will move to show the pressure setting of the sprayer. To adjust the pressure, loosen the lock nut under the adjusting bolt. Turn the adjusting bolt clockwise for greater pressure and counterclockwise to lessen the pressure. When you achieve the desired pressure, retighten the lock nut. 1,000 pounds per square inch is the recommended pressure for spraying the EPRO product. Pressure can be lessened when spraying in tight quarters. With a setting of 1,000 pounds per square inch, using our gun nozzle size, the emulsion spray rate is 2.5 gallons per minute. The coverage rate of our product for waterproofing is 28 square feet for 40 mils. This equates to 70 square feet per minute when spraying at 1,000 pounds per square inch. We have a 1-inch standpipe, 2 feet tall, with a ball valve at the top that is used when initially priming the pump. This can be utilized when using the sprayer in the drum, hose in the upper position, or the tote mode, hose in the lower position. To prime the pump, open the ball valve and pour water into the pipe and close the valve. Always make sure the valve is closed when running the sprayer. Whenever disconnecting a gun, it is advisable to spray the quick connection with WD-40 to prevent buildup of emulsion. It is equally important to make certain that the pump is never run dry. When this occurs, it is pulling air, and air sets the emulsion in the pump. If it is necessary to clean out the pump for cold weather storage or long periods of downtime, recycle hot soapy water through it for cleaning purposes. Then recycle mineral spirits or kerosene into the pump and hoses to prevent freezing. It is always advisable to push out the mineral spirits or kerosene with water before pulling emulsion back into the pump. This unit, when spraying our water-based emulsion in cold weather, needs to be enclosed in either a van, trailer, or box truck. Any questions regarding the AD55 sprayer can be directed to the offices of EPRO Services Incorporated at 1-800-882-1896.